Hey folks, Vortex here and welcome to my review of the Dunu Alpha 3. As you can see, these are a pair of earbuds. As you can see, Dunu. And yeah, as usual, full disclaimers, I'd like to thank Hi-Fi Go for sending me this sample to try, so thank you very much. I was not paid to do this video and all thoughts and opinions are my own. And it's good to try something a bit different. So, obviously Dunu have got a good reputation, so yeah, let's just get into it. So let's see what you actually get. So quite plain packaging, Alpha 3 there. So specs. So Alpha 3, approximately 30 grams. Impedance 32 ohms. Sensitivity is 105. There's the actual driver. So it looks quite fancy, shall we say. Here's the material and the cable wire material. So it's all there. Now it's been a while since I tried some earbuds, so I'm actually quite looking forward to these. So normal kind of packaging here. Give it a bit of a wiggle. Have a look at that in a sec. So I've already slightly opened this before. I haven't actually tried them yet. But what in the box was just a bit of paperwork. So you got that. Bit of QC information there. You get a cleaning brush, which is useful. And obviously you get the foams and the donuts, so obviously I'll have a look at all them in a bit. So carry case, I didn't know this actually came with one, so that's quite unique, well, quite useful, and it's a decent size, it's not too small. Looks like an attached cable. So good that they actually put them in bags to keep them secure. So they'll actually look quite long, these earbuds. So actually that's all metal. So they look like plastic. These are actually quite heavy. So left attached cable. You can see a bit of writing on there, the brand. Obviously I'll open it up when I get to use it. So 3.5 attached. Cable looks familiar. I'm not quite sure where I've seen it. So yeah, I have no idea what these sound like. So yeah, I'm going to try obviously with the foams, the donuts, and have a good look what this is like. So yeah, see you in the future. So welcome to my review section of the Dunu Alpha 3. So let's just get on to comfort, as you say. To me, I always find that comfortable. So obviously this is what it looks like without the full foam. Obviously there's a full foam. So comfort on these I thought was pretty good. I always find it obviously better with the foams. Bear in mind these are a negative side with the comfort is there's some weight to these because normally earbuds are plastic, but this is actually a metal. I had no actual issues with that, but some people might, so just bear that in mind. But obviously it's okay. Obviously these are on the larger side and it's an attached cable. So yeah, so that's it. I thought it was okay. So cable, so obviously attached to a Y split. There's a chin slider which doesn't really do much, but it's there. And obviously this terminates into a 3.5. The connection looks kind of generic. I've seen that a few times, but yeah, it's fine. The cable seems fine. Obviously you'd like detachable, but they're not probably cause an issue with obviously earbuds because it's gravity on it. So yeah, let's talk about like micro details and probably resolution. I found that was actually very good on these. That's the beauty, I think, of earbuds as well. As long as it's tuned well, is you can to get an IEM to perform the same level costs an awful lot more. Earbuds, as long as the tuning's good, they can be very, very good value for money. Like the ones I've tried in the past. Again, they've got really good price to performance. IEMs, again, like I said, cost way more to get to that kind of level. So just bear that in mind. Oh yeah, I thought it was good. Resolve. I found them very resolving. And it's very transparent and very clear in the sound. Obviously, I'll get to more about the sound, obviously, in a bit. Yes, so as well, Technicalities was also very good. So far, so good, basically. So, yeah. Pound sensitivity, I had no issues with these. A little bit harder than, I'd say, a normal IEM to push, but nothing too bad at all. So sound of these, obviously there's no graph because I can't graph earbuds. So bass on these is, especially when you use the foams, There's a bit of warmth to it. A negative of the bass is sub-bass roll-off, but that can be quite common in earbuds because they don't technically seal. Like these don't really have open backs, but they do have enough of a punch, shall we say. They do have sub-bass roll-off. Now that depends if that's in your music or not. I was actually fine with it, to be honest. And yes, so mid-range, very clear, very clean. Like there's no shout. And also it sounded very natural, was one of the good points of view for these. And vocals on these sounded great, male and female. Overall, mid-range I thought was great on this set. Dunu have done a great job of it, really. And now on to the treble. Again, very clear instruments. Was very clear. I didn't find these fatiguing at all. To be nitpicky, you could probably do with a bit more air in air quotes. But apart from that, I found natural treble representation on this set very good. Again, very natural presentation. Again, say it's just very, very clear, very natural, very crisp, not fatiguing. Quite a good set, to be honest. I don't know how long Dunu have had something like this in, kind of R&D, but they've actually done quite a nice job. Again, a bit on the big side, but not too bad at all. And I was quite happy with it all. So short kind of review. So do I recommend these? Yes. But the three negatives, in my opinion, are price. These are around, I think, $80 from memory. I need to check, but it's up there. 2, metal construction on these. Again, can be quite heavy. Again, no problem for me. And the sub-bass roll-off. Now, I typically do like electronic music, and these perform quite well in it. But it also depends if sub-bass is in your mix. If it isn't, or if it's minimal, then it's not really a big deal. If it is, then it's obviously more of a deal. So that's obviously up to you. But these are a good sounding set. Again, it also does come with the donuts. So the donut foam, so that's exposed. You choose whatever you want suits you. I prefer it with the full foams. And also, I think for comfort, it makes it, as you can see, a little bit bigger. So, yeah, I'll probably end it there. Quite a nice set. If these are a little bit cheaper, it would have been a really great deal. But $80, I think, still fine for price to performance. I think these perform really well. And they do a very great job of what I've thrown at them. And I'll probably end it there. So, that's pretty much it. If you want anything more in particular about this, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Take care and keep an eye on my videos, because I've got a lot of videos in the pipeline. So hit that subscribe button, please. And you know what I mean. But yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. See you in the next video.